So, did you do your investigation, my friend?
What do you think I'm doing right now, my friend?
I'm asking you, honey.
This is what I'm doing, honey.
Right, and I told you, baby.
I be smashing. Friends with benefits. Don't give me no title, dog.
A routine domestic disturbance call quickly spiraled into a chaotic arrest.
We're good. We're just looking for the key.
Well, that's not what we've been told.
No, we're just looking for the key.
No.
I'm a little worried. Okay. I don't know what's going on.
We're just looking for our key. We lost it.
Yeah, that's fine,
Like,
sir.
my key is attached with tape.
I need you to come over here, please. I need
Can
you.
I ask why?
Yes. We got a report that there was a fight. Your shirt is ripped.
This?
No, your shirt all down the side,
But,
ma'am.
sir, you don't under... This is, babe, this is...
Ma'am, I need you to step over here.
It's a microchip.
That's fine. We'll go find it.
You're not. I've been looking for it for like the past 20 minutes.
Okay.
It fell out of my key.
Okay. I need you to come over here. What's going on right
There's
now?
nothing going on. I just told you I'm looking for my key.
How did your shirt get ripped?
The shirt has been ripped. It's an old shirt I've had since like 2018. Okay. I'm not worried about the shirt right now. I'm worried about my car.
Okay.
That the key is gonna cost me $200 if I don't find it. I'm trying to find my key.
I understand that.
I'm just gonna pay you that.
Nothing going on.
All right, that's it.
Yeah, you got any buttons?
No, we're looking for a key.
The shirt has been ripped. It's an old shirt.
Not a third party. This is not Miami. There's no more shooting. We're looking for our damn key.
So what's going on?
We're looking for a key.
Hey, so what's going on? What'd you see?
So they came in a little bit ago. They were all cool. They were good with each other and everything. Then a customer came in and told me that somebody's out there screaming. So I'm looking out the window. I'm watching them screaming. Somehow their window got broken. It wasn't broken when they were sitting. They pulled up there. I get out. I mean, what I seen her make contact with his face like 3 or 4 times.
Okay, you witnessed the female hit the male.
Hit him. I can't necessarily say he didn't hit her back. They both squared up.
Uh-huh.
So it was double. Like, they're both intoxicated.
Right. So when the
them come in
customer
here.
walked in, did she say that they were getting physical with each other at the time?
No.
There was more yelling?
Yeah, they said they heard yelling. That's why I went out there. Then another customer came in and says, you know something's going on out there, right?
Right.
And I went out there to look, and he's like, you got this handled? You got to call the cops or something? I was like, yeah, I got it handled. And so that's when I called you guys. And as I was on the phone with you guys, they repeatedly came in here and begged me. They're like, do not call the cops.
Gotcha.
So I was like, huh? And at this point, you guys are both drunk sitting in my parking lot for over an hour fighting. I got to do something.
Okay. And then you witnessed the female strike the male in the face like 3 times?
Yeah.
And then you did.
Now, I also witnessed her try to get him to, like, go away.
Right.
Like 10 times. And
Okay.
He just kept getting back in the car, kept getting up in her face and all that shit.
Gotcha.
So it's very possible she did it out of instinct or fear, to be honest with you, from my point of view.
Okay.
Can't necessarily say that is or isn't a thing. It's not my relationship. It's not my conversation.
Right.
I can only see what I see through the window.
Okay, I got you. Okay. All right.
You just said you've been looking for it for the last 20 minutes. So
Yes, because I pulled up here trying to get
So,
gas.
wait.
I washed my dishes here. I
Hey.
warmed up my food. No. You said I pulled up to the task 20 minutes, and you're trying to tell me.
You told me that.
I did, and you're trying to tell me that I've been here longer than I'm supposed to, or I've been doing something that I'm not supposed to do. No. I've been here the last 20 minutes. I washed my dishes, I heated up my food, and I put gas, and I'm looking for my key. I am not doing nothing illegal. Back up from me. What am I doing?
Ma'am?
Nothing, right?
No, we got a report that you two were fighting in the parking lot.
Okay. So, did you do your investigation, my friend?
What do you think I'm doing right now, my friend?
I'm asking you, honey.
This is what I'm doing, honey.
Right, and I told you, baby.
Okay, well, baby, I'm telling you.
Nothing's going on. And I told you what I've been doing, what I did when I got here.
Was that before or after you guys started fighting?
Nothing.
Nothing what?
Shay Sagan.
Stop.
So, what
I'm
happened?
looking for my
We're looking for a key.
I have been here for the past...
You mind stepping over here so you can talk so you're not yelling back and forth with each other? Can you go on that side? Alright. So, what happened?
Nothing. We're just looking for our key.
Be honest, okay?
We're looking
this
for
is
our
not
key.
this is not our first rodeo, okay? Just be honest.
I'm looking for our key. That's it. I'm looking for my key. Nothing has happened.
That's what.
Nothing happened. We're looking for the key. That's it. I didn't even think no one
They probably
called.
manager has to access it.
What's your guys' relationship?
We're friends. We're boyfriend and girlfriend. We're just looking for our key. That's it.
It's a microchip, baby. My car, when my mother bought the car and gave it to me, it's broken, babe. I don't know where it went. It breaks all the time.
Right.
It's a piece of shit Nissan.
So what are
Nissan
you
suck
saying?
if you didn't know that.
So what are you saying? It's in the car?
It's in the car, it's on the floor, it's somewhere here. I pulled up here, haven't been able to move since.
All right, am I free to go?
No, not at all.
All right, let me know when I'm.
No. Just stand by right there.
I'm fine.
Just stay right there. No, you're not going to your car.
I just want to know what happened.
Hey, can you come to the back of the car, bro? Come on. Please come to the back of the car. If not, we can just take the route of going into handcuffs.
What am I doing?
Stay right here. I'm not going to tell you again. Okay?
What's going on, man?
That's what we're trying to figure out, but you're not saying anything and being
I
honest
did.
with us, dude. Why would somebody say you're beating the shit out of each other
Oh,
for
we're
no
not
reason?
beating the shit out of each other. We weren't even fighting. She was looking for the key. I'm looking for the key. I'm on the floor looking for the key.
Right.
That's it. Pop that sign, man. Pop that sign.
You got a bunch of officers around you.
Yeah, I'm just saying.
Padian, yeah, get mama.
We're talking to her. You could talk to
Get
them.
mama, Lee.
That's how this is working. I don't need the interaction.
I'm just saying.
I know, we're going to talk to her. You don't need to answer his questions to her. He's not talking to you.
You're right.
So, just
Any other questions?
So,
We really haven't gotten anything out of you, man.
Any other questions?
Yeah, we haven't
Just
told us
tell me what
what
you need to
all
know,
you
I'll
keep
tell you.
saying is
Tell me what you want to know and I'll tell you.
I want to know why would somebody think that you guys were fighting?
Oh, because I'm on the phone looking for the key, like I lost the key, like an idiot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For people that are looking for a car
can I
key,
explain why, though?
I would love it because he has been no help.
Because
He's a piece of shit.
the person in there, 214, the person inside there said that you guys were fighting.
Okay.
And we just got to make sure that, there's no domestic violence going on.
Why the are you so close to me?
He's just doing his job.
Bro, I don't, babe, they keep walking up on me.
We're not.
And I gotta deal with
Listen, don't go to the front of the car.
And I gotta deal with it.
Don't go to the front of the car again, okay?
I'm not doing anything.
Okay, what's the problem? Why you getting all weird?
I'm not being weird.
There you are.
Well, the gas station attendant said they started arguing. He said that initially the window wasn't broken, but now it is.
My window's
The
been
what?
broken for weeks.
Okay,
He said the what wasn't broken?
okay.
The window wasn't broken? Run it back, run it back, run it back. No. They're trying to with us, baby. No.
He just said what he
I don't trust y'all. No.
You're right, bud.
No.
You can pick it up how you want to.
No. Run it now.
So you're gonna calm down, okay? All right. Because right now you're causing a
My
big scene.
window has been broken since August. Since August.
It's been broken. They know that. They can run in and
No,
see.
just, what are you saying?
He's just saying that. He didn't mean it.
He said the
I
clerk
didn't mean
is
it.
the
I
one that
just
told
said
him.
that it got broken, but y'all are saying
Baby, he
y'all
can pull
came
it.
here because
He can
you're
pull it.
You're also kind of her hype man right now, bro. Like, just let her go.
Because you're gonna with us on false information. Bullshit.
This conversation goes a lot better if we're home. And then we can
You
have
just
a...
said my window wasn't broken when I pulled up
He
here.
knows that. He can pull that.
I didn't say that.
He's not your enemy. He didn't lose the key. I did.
I didn't say that.
I lost the key.
Okay, all right. What's up? What's up?
But he did say that while he was out here smoking a cigarette, he clearly saw you punch this gentleman in the jaw.
She didn't punch me in the jaw. She never hit me. She never hit me.
He also said my.
I'm not gonna lie. She never hit me. I will tell you.
Dude, let them have the conversation.
No, I'll just let him know because I heard
Okay,
him.
they're
We'll
just
talk to you after.
But can I let him know? It's the
until he
truth.
comes to you.
Yeah.
It's the truth.
It's like a one-on-one
She never
thing.
hit me.
Is that your boyfriend?
No,
What is he?
my friend.
She never hit me.
Because you called him your boyfriend earlier.
I be smashing. Friends with benefits. Don't give me no title, dog. I got a girlfriend. What, he's gonna give me a title? I got a girlfriend.
Okay.
Don't write that shit down.
Let me ask you something. Why'd you call her your girlfriend?
Well, she's my girl. I smashed.
When I asked you the first
Official
time, you
girlfriend.
said that she's your
Like, I
girlfriend.
got a girlfriend. She's one of my girls.
Okay.
But it's an intimate relationship.
Man, listen, bro. Don't get me to say something I don't mean.
No, I'm just
Don't say
letting you know.
intimate. Just, my girlfriend might see
You
this.
just said you were smashing.
My girlfriend might see this, right?
We were shooting each other.
Right?
Do you know what intimacy means?
No.
It
Don't
means
say
having sex.
Oh my God.
And also,
My girlfriend
in the eyes of the law.
I don't want to talk no more. My
Good.
girlfriend might
Okay. Fantastic.
see- I don't want to see that.
That'd be a solid plan. I'm good with that. Map, where you going?
I have to piss. I'm cold.
They don't have a female cop with her or nothing, bro?
I didn't go in the bathroom with her.
Like, if that was your girl, what you would say, that's what I want to say.
Say what?
I just want to say something.
Say whatever you want.
All right. Hey, excuse me, sir.
Stay here though. That's all I ask.
Is everything all right with her using the bathroom and stuff? Y'all got, what y'all got going on? Y'all following her to the bathroom and stuff?
Followed me to the bathroom.
That's a female, bro.
We didn't go in the bathroom.
They didn't go in it, yeah, but they followed me outside like I was a criminal. They're doing an investigation, but they treat me like a criminal.
See what I'm talking about? That's why I wanted to ask. I feel like they followed her to the bathroom.
It's all on camera, bro.
I feel like he followed her to the bathroom.
It's all on camera, dude. It's all on camera.
He did, didn't he?
It's all on camera. Nobody's violating your girl.
That's not real, though. I ain't
It's on camera.
What's going to happen, ma'am, is you're going to go to jail.
Li di apares mwen, vin gen Clea. Shay vin gen Clea. Gen Clea, Shay vini. So what am I getting arrested for?
Battery, domestic
When am I
violence.
getting out?
Tomorrow morning, probably. You'll see the judge.
Just live in your
Get
pocket.
off me.
You need to calm down.
I'm trying to get my shit so I can give it to my.
We're gonna get that for
You not.
Okay, but
Bro, you. Y'all don't. What am I getting arrested for?
Battery,
You-
domestic violence.
Show me.
just
Hey, come get my shit.
Walk.
Come get my shit. Can I give my shit to my? You said I could give it to him.
all right.
Can I give it to him?
Time out.
Please.
Start
I'm talking to
cooperating.
you.
Start cooperating.
I am.
No, you're not.
Can I want to watch
You're
you
gonna
give
get
it to
it-
him.
you're
I'm
gonna-
gonna
no.
cooperate,
I'm
but I
gonna
want
tell
you to give it
if
to
you
him.
do not listen, you're going to
I'm
get another
listening,
charge for
but
resisting.
okay,
Another
and
charge.
I'm listening. Okay, and I'm listening.
This is all I'm
Can I
saying.
watch you give my shit
No.
to him?
We're going to take all your stuff out of your pockets, and if you want us to give them something, then we will. But I'm not going to let you sit here and dictate what's going to happen. There's two options here.
I'm talking to you.
I understand. I'm telling you now.
All
There's
right.
two options. I'm going
All
to let you pick one.
Tell him to
Okay?
stop that.
All right?
I'm a girl. There's 4 on me.
Nobody-
Tell him to stop that.
There's two people holding.
Look at where his hand's at.
Yeah.
Like I'm about to swing out and punch you.
Well,
Do you see this?
Listen.
Come on.
Listen.
Come on.
You're very
My,
aggravated right now.
I'm very annoyed. Yes,
Your-
but
your
my
attitude
hands
is
are in
dicta-
handcuffs.
Your attitude is dictating what we're doing.
Umdi, baile Clea.
You guys don't
Okay,
listen. No,
I'm trying
no,
to-
we're done.
Stop.
Now we're done.
Sir, stop.
I gave
sir.
you options and you didn't want to
I'm
listen.
trying to listen
no,
to the
you did
options.
not. Okay? Take all
Sir,
our stuff out.
can
Don't
you-
give them anything.
Sir.
Take it to the jail.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Sir, I'm trying to give you my keys.
Maybe you should have listened a lot.
Sir, I was trying to listen to you. Ooh,
There's the key you're looking for.
Come on, big dog. I gotta talk to you. This is what's
Look, man.
going on. This girl's not doing anything to me.
What's your name?
Free on Anderson, sir.
Frida. She's going to jail.
She
Did
didn't
you?
hit me, Sarge.
Well,
I'm
we got a
begging
guy.
you, Sarge.
We got a guy saying you did, and there's video cameras here. There's video cameras.
Sarge, I'm talking to you man to man. She didn't hit me, Sarge. Let her go, please. I'm not gonna press charges against her, Sarge. I'm being real with you.
Let
This
her-
is not no other shit going on. This is man to man,
What is she
honest
to
shit.
you?
She's my side chick. I'll be real. She's my side
When
chick.
you were at the hotel in December, what was she then?
Side chick. She's my side chick. Can I
Okay.
get it, Sarge? Please, man.
Let me talk to you in a minute, man. But this is happening most likely,
Please
right?
stop it, Sarge. I'm begging you.
Do you think I can like
I
control
know
the
you
world,
can.
man? I can't. Like I
I
got.
know you can. You got
we're
the
in tough.
bars. Handle that, Sarge.
All right, you got two options. You go in peacefully, or we force you in.
I want you.
All right, I'll go over there and help you out.
Touch me. And
All right,
back the
Cup.
off me.
All right.
I want
Can
the
Can you just
to
go in the car
touch
for
me.
me?
Come on, baby. Come on.
You can sit down perfectly fine by your own.
Come on. Baby, why they felt like they had to touch me?
All right, go ahead.
You feel like you have to touch me?
Watch your head.
Do you feel like you have to touch
Watch
me?
your head.
You don't.
Just sit down.
You
okay?
don't, because you
Just
know
sit
I'm
down.
cooperative.
Just sit down.
But they're and they don't feel like I'm cooperative.
Just sit down.
You feel like I'm cooperative?
Have a seat.
I told you I was gonna be cooperative.
All right, put your foot in.
No. No.
Don't do that, okay? Stop.
Bro, get me out of here now.
Put your foot in.
No.
Put your foot in.
Am I leaving now?
Put your foot in. You will be once you get inside the car. Alright. You're gonna make this worse for yourself, okay?
Am I leaving now?
Once you put your foot in the car, you will be leaving. You'll be going
When am I
straight to the
leaving
jail.
jail?
You'll see the jail like first appearance in the morning, okay? You see a judge. Alright?
Shay, vem só acender-me! Vem só
Grab it on
acender-me!
that side.
Stop! Vem só
She was ultimately charged with domestic battery, possession of drug paraphernalia, and resisting an officer without violence. Do you think her anger issues can be worked on, or has she gone too far? If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.